first highway drive with the coilovers. Overall feels way different. I do not have the sport model, and my steering wheel is just stiffer. I'm gonna take her on the back roads probably for another video, but yeah, overall I'm impressed. I'm pretty impressed with these coilovers. T7 MAXPEEDING coilovers. Oh shit. Down shit. I see the difference for why people say to get coilovers and not springs. Really, cause them springs be bouncy. This bounces, but it's just, it's not like, you feel me, annoying. Cause I've been in a car with coilovers and that shit, especially riding around in the city. I already know the Baltimore city roads is not to play with, man. It is not to play with. But shit, we got a lot of stuff coming on. I ain't even know DGs can do that. Let me squeeze right here, baby. I've been slowing that. People, he bumps. It's no body roll. That motherfucker pulling. We on the way to go get a car wash real quick. Feel me? Said might as well just pick up the camera. So that sounds good. So riding, we riding. I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited with the fitment. I know she beefy in the back. I'm gonna show y'all. Made my car ride way more like it's more planted to the ground. You feel me? I might gotta change my front rotors, y'all. I just changed them, but I don't know. Oh, my fault, sure. You probably didn't even see me. Yeah, my steering wheel's shaking. It's been shaking, but I just changed them last April. It's November. I'm like, 7 months with these. Might change the rotors or something. Get them put on. Or I really need to learn how to do my own brakes for real. Someone gotta teach me. I'm not gonna lie. I should know how to change my brakes and brake pads. I just need tools, really. Let's go ahead and test this out. Ooh, I'm doing 65 around this corner. See, real smooth over the bumps too. Yes, sir. Boom. I swear, bro. Some of these highways be bounding, man. I be so confused. Like I said, y'all, I like the coilovers. If you guys want budget-friendly coilovers, y'all can go ahead and tap down below at the first link. MAXPEEDINGRODS. Use code STINO, 10% off. Code STINO, 10% off right now. You feel me? On the whole site, not just the coilovers, on the whole site. Y'all hear what I'm telling you? Hey, share, like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend, share to your mother, your father, your uncle, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, and your great-grandniece. Alright? That sounds good, I'm not gonna lie. So back. Car wash. that shit sound good. That's what I'm saying. I know. It's not tuned. It's just an exhaust. Bro.
I'm gonna show you the flame on the way home.
All right, that's about. Hey y'all, this right here, that special sauce right here, that special drip right here.
That nobody getting. That's how it's
and like this is a little real quick.
This shit
That shit already getting shiny.
like the difference. Like,
Oh yeah, that shit.
It's just because his drink is more scratch.
Hey y'all, I'm about to get my car right and post a picture on IG. I'm gonna put the picture right here. Ready to get these rims right for real. That special sauce. They telling me this that special sauce. Y'all already know Corey and Chris for real. They be damn near all my vids. No cap. He just got an IXR exhaust on that long. I'm about to show y'all. I don't know if I showed y'all the exhaust. I really don't know. I think I did. I think I showed y'all his shit, but I'm about to show y'all his shit again. I'll see his shit all the way back. Stock Y pipe and test pipes. Cat. Damn.
All you gotta do is brush it.
That's already got shiny.
All you gotta do is brush it. It's just like this type of all-purpose spray.
All-purpose spray.
And these right here, this is windows right. Windows.
Y'all just got everything. Y'all can see all the little dirt coming off. Yeah, that shit is really clean. I don't even got greasy much. They told me that special sauce like that for real. Nah, I see for myself. These pictures probably about to come out OC. And I got this too.
About to come out too crazy.
Huh?
I said it's about to come out too crazy.
Too crazy, you know? I got this shit.
Yes, sir.
That's that sauce too. For your wheels. I mean, not your wheels. For your tires. Damn, my shit dirty as shit. That wheel fitment crazy, y'all. I can't even, you feel me? I got really think of getting stuck. I'm trying to really,
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Pause. I can't even go through this thing because my car too loud. Shout out to MAXPEEDING Racing Rod. Get the scraping and shit. Already day one, running into problems, being lowered. Huh? Damn. We got the full, I'm getting wet and shit back here, y'all. I'm not going, oh, shit. What the fuck am I doing? Oh, shit. Let me go ahead and stay in front of that bitch. That motherfucker really shining and shit. Damn. I'm geeking, ain't I? Oh, what the fuck? That bitch about to start. Just in case y'all niggas have never seen a car wash like this, GTA and shit like that. Shit. Oh, that's wrong. Let me go ahead and back the fuck up. Sitting too fucking clean. Sitting clean as shit. Like, do y'all see the fitment right here? Like, oh my god. This shit just looks so beautiful. It just looks so fucking beautiful. I don't got my grill in my car, so I'm trying not to get my intakes wet. Yeah, this car just looks so beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It looks so beautiful. Back to the Silver G. Wow. Look at that carbon. That fucking carbon right there. Shout out to MAXPEEDING Racing Rods. First back road video with these brand new coilovers. Link down in the description. This is a continuation. Oh yeah, he trying. Oh yeah, he trying to do that for y'all. Let's do a little 3. Don't want to blow my damn engine. So far they feel great. As I was saying in the earlier video when it was broad daylight, very stable to the ground, more controlled, honestly. See, like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lie, there's no body roll. Oh my gosh. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing right here. This shit feel nice right here. My car did not feel like this before. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Yes, sir, y'all. With my man's Corey. Shit not. It's nice. Sorry, exhaust sounds nice. Man, I miss it right there. So, these coilovers are very nice. I see why people get coils and not springs. If y'all want to get coilovers, y'all might as well just go with these right here. Budget friendly, affordable. Don't gotta really spend an arm and a leg on BC coilovers or nothing. Getting the car and shit. Let me take this. Shout out to Janky as well. Person who installed these coilovers. Y'all seen him in the last video. R&D&V and you wanna get some work done, go check out my last video. Put his ad in there. Janky got me right here. Yeah, like I said, y'all, a lot of upcoming mods. Oh shit. A lot of upcoming mods. A lot. Cool little hell with the equipment. Yeah, very equipment to y'all. Yeah, man. Happy holidays, happy New Year's. Y'all already know we getting right for the New Year's. Going into 2025, booty. Ooh, I'm tight on his butt.
Wait a minute.
Their hands went really nice. Y'all see me in these corners. Yeah, these back roads so nice with these. Oh, I'm playing Boss Man Dilo. I can't even play that one. Damn, I hope that shit ain't even cut. Damn, I'm playing Boss Man Dilo and shit. I ain't supposed to be doing that. I'm gonna get copyrighted and shit. Shifted. I got, how about a drive? I was at drive, that's why that shit did that. I seen it. That shit switched back to drive and now, ooh. Nice turn. Switched back to drive and I shifted, then it lagged. But now, we in manual mode now. Hey, I like how she's floating over these, Like, I know she look good from the outside. And coilovers, man. Sheesh. Wasn't too much though, luckily. Shout out to MAXPEEDINGRODS, link in the bio. First link. Use 10% code STINO for use code STINO for 10% off. I like this corner right here. I'm not gonna lie. This corner said to go 25. I'm going, let me try to increase my speed. I'm going 45 around the corner. Easy money. That was a good ass video for the review, bro. Them back roads, that shit felt good. Hell yeah. I'm surprised that nigga ain't. Whoop, whoop. I know he was moving. There's a cop behind us. I'm gonna put it in that video. On you. Off on me though, I'm not gonna lie. Them test pipes do something. Don't worry about it.